Are you ready to turn your app idea into a reality? Developing an app can be a complex and time-consuming process, but with a clear roadmap in place, you can ensure that your app is delivered on time, on budget, and to your exact specifications. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide to creating a roadmap for your app development project. From understanding your requirements and specifications to creating a project plan and timeline, budgeting, identifying your target audience, and planning for testing, quality assurance, maintenance, marketing and promotion, and necessary integrations, we'll cover all the essential elements you need to consider to ensure your app's success. Whether you're a business owner looking to develop an app for your company or an entrepreneur with a great app idea, this video will give you the tools and knowledge you need to get started on your app development journey. Requirements and specifications. Before hiring a freelancer or app development company, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want your app to do and how it should function. This includes detailed specifications for features, functionality, and design. Having a clear and detailed set of requirements will help ensure that the developer understands your vision for the app and can accurately estimate the time and resources required to build it. Project plan and timeline. A detailed project plan and timeline will help ensure that the development process runs smoothly and that the app is delivered on time. This should include milestones for each phase of the project, as well as deadlines for deliverables such as wireframes, mock-ups, and beta versions of the app. Having a clear project plan and timeline will also help you stay on budget and manage any risks that may arise during the development process. Budget for the project. A budget is an essential aspect of any app development project. Before hiring a freelancer or app development company, you should have a clear understanding of how much you can afford to spend on the project. This will help you to identify any areas where costs may be reduced, as well as ensure that you don't overspend on unnecessary features or functionality. Target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial for the success of any app. You should be able to clearly define who your app is intended for, what their needs and goals are, and how your app will meet those needs. This information will be used to guide the app's design, features, and functionality, as well as its marketing and promotion. Features and functionality. A list of desired features and functionality is an important aspect of any app development project. This should include a detailed description of all the features and functionality that you want the app to have, as well as any specific requirements for those features. Having a clear and detailed list of desired features will help the developer understand your vision for the app and ensure that the final product meets your expectations. Wireframe or mockup. A wireframe or mockup of the app's layout and design is an essential part of the app development process. This should include detailed information on the app's layout, navigation, and overall design. Having a clear wireframe or mockup will help ensure that the developer understands your vision for the app and can create a design that meets your requirements. Plan for testing and quality assurance. A plan for app testing and quality assurance is an essential part of the app development process. This should include a detailed description of the testing and quality assurance processes that will be used to ensure that the app is free of bugs and works as intended. Having a clear plan for testing and quality assurance will help ensure that the final product is of high quality and meets your requirements. Plan for app maintenance and updates. A plan for app maintenance and updates is an essential part of the app development process. This should include detailed information on how the app will be maintained and updated over time, as well as any necessary resources required for this purpose. Having a clear plan for app maintenance and updates will help ensure that the app remains functional and relevant over time. Plan for app marketing and promotion. A plan for app marketing and promotion is an essential part of the app development process. This should include detailed information on how the app will be marketed and promoted to attract users and increase its visibility. Having a clear plan for marketing and promotion will help ensure that your app reaches its target audience and achieves its desired level of success. List of necessary integrations. A list of any necessary integrations or APIs is an important aspect of any app development project. This should include any third-party services or tools that the app will need to integrate with in order to function properly. Having a clear list of integrations and APIs will help ensure that the developer understands your requirements and can create an app that works seamlessly with all necessary systems and platforms. Plan for data privacy and security. A plan for data privacy and security is an essential aspect of any app development project. This should include detailed information on how user data will be protected and kept secure, as well as any necessary measures to comply with relevant laws and regulations. Having a clear plan for data privacy and security will help ensure that your app meets industry standards and protects user data effectively. Legal agreements. Before hiring a freelancer or app development company, it's important to have a legal agreement outlining the terms of the project. This should include details such as payment terms, ownership rights, and timelines for delivery. Having a clear legal agreement in place will help protect your interests and ensure that the project is completed as agreed upon. App scalability. A plan for app scalability is an important aspect of any app development project. This should include detailed information on how the app can be scaled to accommodate future growth and increased user numbers. Having a clear plan for scalability will help ensure that your app can adapt to changing needs and continue to meet the demands of its users. App localization. A plan for app localization is an important aspect of any app development project if the app will be used in multiple languages or regions. This should include detailed information on how the app will be adapted to meet the needs of different cultures and languages. Having a clear plan for localization will help ensure that your app is accessible and effective for users in all regions. Desired platforms. A list of desired platforms the app shall be developed for is an important aspect of any app development project. This should include any specific platforms or devices that the app should be compatible with, such as iOS, Android, or web. Having a clear list of desired platforms will help ensure that the developer understands your requirements and can create an app that works seamlessly on all necessary platforms. Third-party services or tools. A list of any necessary third-party services or tools is an important aspect of any app development project. This should include any specific services or tools that the app will need to function properly, such as payment processors, analytics tools, or chat services. Having a clear list of necessary third-party services and tools will help ensure that the developer understands your requirements and can create an app that works seamlessly with all necessary systems and platforms. Hardware or infrastructure. A list of any necessary hardware or infrastructure is an important aspect of any app development project. This should include any specific hardware or infrastructure that the app will need to function properly, such as servers, databases, or network equipment. Having a clear list of necessary hardware and infrastructure will help ensure that the developer understands your requirements and can create an app that works seamlessly with all necessary systems and platforms. Plan for user feedback and engagement. A plan for user feedback and engagement is an essential part of the app development process. This should include detailed information on how user feedback will be collected and used to improve the app, as well as any necessary resources required for this purpose. Having a clear plan for user feedback and engagement will help ensure that the app meets their current and future needs. In conclusion, developing an app is a complex and time-consuming process, but with the right partner, it doesn't have to be daunting. A professional app development company can guide you every step of the way. From understanding your requirements and specifications to creating a project plan and timeline, budgeting for your project, identifying your target audience, and planning for testing and quality assurance, maintenance, marketing and promotion, and necessary integrations. By entrusting the development process to a team of experts, you can ensure that your app is delivered on time, on budget, and to your exact specifications. Remember that your app idea can become a reality with the right approach, clear communication, and a dedicated professional team. Hiring a professional app development company can make creating a roadmap for your app development project easier, faster, and more efficient. Contact us today for a free consultation, and the road to making your app real will be a fast, easy, fulfilling, and rewarding experience that will produce a quality end user experience that guarantees the overall success of your app idea. AppSoft Solutions is the market's most affordable and experienced app development company. After covering all the aspects of a successful app development and deployment process, you have realized that we consider every possible factor involved before, during, and after the development to ensure the success of your app. We don't cut corners and work hard to feel proud of the client satisfaction level we achieve in each one of our projects delivered. Don't delay your app development. Let's make it real. Contact us today. Find and download this RoadMap app in the link below.